She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my cat and my snow. What
So I'm going to be training back and shoulders today, and Jamie and I were watching some I don't know, Instagram videos and saw some really cool shoulder movements we haven't tried, so I'm excited to give them a go today. But firstly, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be fueled throughout my session, and I'm going to be using Intrasol to do that because I'm on a lower carb diet at the moment. I kind of need the extra energy to get through my sessions, and my sessions usually last between 1 to 1.5 hours. So I find that after probably the first 40 minutes, I get quite depleted and quite tired. So this prevents that from happening, and I feel like I've got energy throughout the whole session. What I love about this powder is it mixes really well. It's very rare that you'll find a powder that doesn't clump. It's one of the props of a good product. But more importantly, I'm going to be giving my top 5 tips on how to grow Instagram, because that's something that I've been able to do, and I just really want to share as much as I can with you. I'm going to be doing it throughout the whole video, so you're going to have to watch to the very end if you want to find out how to grow your Instagram. So stay tuned and be patient. The best.
Does it actually do smoke?
They do. They don't smell like sweat for once.
Once you wear them, they don't smell so good.
Hesitate, I gotta tell you, but I wanna wait. Never thought that feelings could disappear. Why the sorry never feel sincere, but you gotta hear. Mother's eyes, they faded fast and then we tripped the wire. Too many times I told you I believe there is nothing left for me.
Number one tip for growing Instagram is make sure that you have a genre or like a subject or something that you're promoting on your network. So for me, it's fitness, and I stick to that. So I do everything fitness. I don't post my dog. I don't have a dog. I don't post like animals or like garden or a lot of food. I make sure that I stick to the one thing. Food will be okay, but it's not something that I really promote because I kind of stick to the one diet, and it would be boring. So yeah, making sure that you have something that you're passionate about that you want to promote and add value to that. So for me, when I speak about adding value, I would post my workout, and in that workout I would write the workout in the actual video. I would write, you know, tips about the workout, giving people something to take home and do themselves. So that's how I would add value to my content, and therefore you're going to get people commenting, sharing, and that's also going to add value to your account as well.
We're always standing too far in between, need to rearrange me.
Step 2 is consistency. So making sure that when you do post that you're doing it regularly, not just like once in a week. For a beginner, I think 1 to 2 posts a day, maybe 2. At the moment I'm doing 1, and that's because I'm using a lot of video content. So video content does really well with the algorithm, and it keeps my page traction quite high because I get lots of comments and people watching. So yeah, in regards to your own, you'll want to do like maybe 1 video, 1 photo, and keep like rotating. So that may take a little bit of preparing in advance to make sure that you're always like constantly putting content out, and make sure that once again it's quality. So not just anything and blurry photos. Make sure there's colour and it's defined and there's some direction in where you're going with your posts. So just touching base on my last couple of tips to growing your Instagram, and that is hashtags. So you want to be hashtagging in relevance to what you're posting. So if I'm a fitness girl, I'm going to write hashtag fitness girl. I'm not going to write hashtag pretty flowers. Do you know what I mean? You want to put within your relevance. So that's a really big tip. And also you can use up to 30 hashtags. I don't use too many personally because you can kind of get lost. So kind of look at the importance of what you as a user would be looking up if you're on Instagram, because that's what other people are going to be looking up as well. Another tip is using all functions of Instagram. So that may be the story. Another massive tip is using Instagram's features. So one big one is stories. That also keeps people engaged with you because they're kind of following what you're doing for the day, whether that's pictures or videos. Another big one is live. Just being able to get on there if you're not too nervous and talk to the people. It can be scary for some, but if you kind of even set out a plan before you start, so you've got some subjects to talk on, and try and be as, I don't know, enthusiastic and energetic as you can, because that's also going to attract new followers as well, because you're going to be in the feeds, you know, top feeds for live, so it's going to expose you more than what you know.
I'm sorry, baby, gonna have to let you down.
And lastly, analytics. So looking at what posts are doing well, that's a really important key, because if you're posting something and it doesn't do well, you don't want to be posting that type of content again. You want to kind of follow what's kind of getting the traction. So for me, if videos do well, I keep posting videos, and that's what I've done, and that's actually grown my Instagram account significantly. So yeah, paying attention to what's liked and what's not, and kind of replicating that throughout your posts. Here's an example of content. We've just done the workout, which we've filmed, and now I'm just going to ask Jamie if we can get a still, meaning like a photo in this outfit while I'm all pumped up. That's the secret, get a pump on before you take a photo.
You forgot the most important tip. You got to find yourself a Jamie that follows you around everywhere and takes pictures. They're hard to find.
So for lighting purposes, we're making sure that we find the best spot, because that's pretty important as well. So you've got the light picking up your face and the skin tone and muscle, which is sometimes hard to do if you're in a dark gym, but we're going to make this work. And then take a picture, and you guys can have a look straight off the camera. It's not on a camera phone, like a phone camera, sorry. Nothing professional, it's just easy to do. Ready?
Yep, there we go. Yeah, hold that, that's good. Yeah, good.
So we took 3. These are straight off the phone. So we've taken 1 flex, 1 looking away from camera flex, and then 1 cheeky face. So it gives you the opportunity to pick the best one. Good session. I'm actually starving, which is a good sign. It means I used all my energy. And in case you're wondering what I'm eating, it's rice and kangaroo, nothing special.
It smells really good though.
Dead kangaroo.
Well, when you put it that way, it's not that great, but like it still smells good.
Specialty here in Australia. Yeah, thank you for watching. Really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Keep me motivated. Yeah, I hope you guys learned something. It's true. Jamie just stands in the background and talks. You should always come on here. You've always got something to say.
Just the quiet voice.
What was that? Sorry?
If growing your Instagram is a subject that you would like to know more of, drop a comment or contact me personally, and we can see if we can get some more content on it. But other than that, I gave you my top tips, which has really helped me, and I hope you enjoyed it and you can put it to some good use. But yeah, so I guess until next time, like always, I'll catch you soon.